Hello, Mr. Coney. This is your tumbler. Okay, let's start. On the left side, in the end of the machine, is main switch. We're going to the touch panel, as you can see at the beginning. Firstly, to start the machine, you have always to push the blue button reset. Always. Now, as you can see, the touch screen is green. So it means that the machine is ready to work. First button is a manual mode for work. Second one is an automatic mode. Third is a emergency, some avaries. This is a service mode for us, unloading mode, and information about PLC. Here is a emergency stop and two start buttons, which we will use only to unload the product after tumbling. Okay, let's start with the manual mode. As you can see, after pushing this button, you have 4 parameters. First one is the time of working, the percent of vacuum, rotations and the side of the rotation, and the temperature. This button starts the machine. Now machine is rotating only with 1 rotation per minute. So it's quite slow. During work in the manual mode, we are able to change the parameters. For example, rotations. We have to push, and for example, I don't know, maybe 15 rotations. Enter. Yes, in this model it's not possible to use 15. 9. Yes. The same situation is with other parameters like time, like vacuum. For example, 55. Enter. Now you can hear that a vacuum pump started to work. Here is a value for vacuum. Here. On the touch screen you can see that now is 23.455% of vacuum inside. And this is all with the manual mode. All parameters you can set like this is written in the manual. Also the temperature. Set -4. Enter. Yes. Now the temperature is 19. It took quite some time to get that temperature. Yeah. After work, machine can start automatically, or we can stop it manually by stop. Back to the main screen. Okay, automatic mode. Here is a list of the programs which you can save in this machine. For example, we will choose first one, test. And now you have a screen where is a button to start this program when it is set. And here this computer makes the possibility to set all parameters which we want. And for example, first step, 2 minutes, 15% of vacuum, 5 rotations, right side, of course. Here you can change the rotations. No rotation, right, left rotations. Temperature, yes, 5 Celsius degrees. And this is first one. Here is 6 steps, which we can set pushing this green arrow. And in every step you can set different kind of settings. 6 steps, yes, as you can see, 5, 6, and this is the end. Now, after 6 steps, we are able to save the program. For example, doesn't matter. Enter. We confirm that it is a good name of the program, and push the diskette to save this program. And now first position in the list is NJA. This is our program. We can start it, and now all that 6 steps will, as you can see, first step was 2 minutes 15% of vacuum rotations and temperature. And this is all. And this is all with the working. Back to the main screen. Please see. On the list is NJA. Unloading. Unloading. We can set the rotations. You will see the worker who will unload the machine will see how many rotations he wants to have. But to unload, we have to take out this cover. To do it, we have to take off the pipe for vacuum. Unscrew this part. Let me show you. It's quite hard to do it with one hand. Mariusz, pomożesz? My colleague will help me. Yes. And the machine will be without the cover. The worker have to enter to unloading mode, push this arrow. Now it's lighting. And these 2 starts he have to push in the same time. And then the machine will start to work. Mariusz, pomożesz? 1 second. And now you can see that machine will unload the product. Two hands have to be on these buttons because this is the safety for the worker. Okay. So with the using of the machine, this is all. As I said, this is very simple machine. What else I can tell you? Here on the bottom is a window. This window can catch some brine during the tumbling through this pipe. This is the vacuum safety place to catch the brine. And that's all. If you have any questions, please call me, write me. Thanks.